Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Day for Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons. The United Nations designates September 26th as the International Day for the Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons. The day aims to raise awareness about the grave threat nuclear weapons pose to humanity and emphasize the need for their complete removal. The day also aims to educate the public and leaders about the benefits of eliminating these weapons and the social and economic cost of keeping them. The effort to control nuclear energy and eliminate atomic weapons began in 1946 with the General Assembly resolution. In 1959, the General Assembly endorsed the goal of general and complete disarmament with a focus on nuclear disarmament. A special session in 1978 further emphasized nuclear disarmament as a top priority. The International Arms Control Framework, established during the Cold War, contributed to global security and deterred the use of nuclear weapons. However, in 2017, the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons was adopted, marking the first legally binding multilateral instrument for nuclear disarmament in 2 decades. Unfortunately, in 2019, the United States' withdrawal from the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty signaled the end of an agreement that had committed both the United States and Russia to eliminating a class of nuclear missiles.